In this short tutorial, I'm going to quickly show you how to check if your web page has been indexed or how to force Google to index your site. So with that being said, let's get started. Go to Google and search Google Console and then click on the Google Search Console right here. Alright, here you're going to choose the property. If you haven't created a property, you need to create a property right here. You need to add your domain name to create a property. But if you already got your property created, all you need to do is select the property that you want to index or want to check if the web page has been indexed. So this one, I'm going to select this one, and then what you want to do here is to use this URL inspection. All right, so you need to click on it, and then you want to type in the URL you want to check whether it has been indexed or not. So for example, I'm going to copy this URL and I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna paste it here. When you paste it, just click enter. As you can see, this URL is on Google. So when you make changes on your site, what you want to do is to come here to re-index, to ask Google to index your site again. Let's say for example I made a change on this web page. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click here, and then I'm gonna go here and request indexing. So click here. So index requested. All right, this is how we ask Google to quickly index your site as fast as possible. So you do not need to wait for Google to actually go and index your site. You can use your Google Search Console right here to ask Google to re-index your site. Okay, so any site that you made a change on, you can quickly come here and paste the URL on this URL inspection, and then click enter to first to check whether the URL has been indexed already. If not, request indexing again. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you do so, make sure you smash that like button, and I will see you on the next one.